The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, expected to launch in 2025, is set to revolutionize the foldable smartphone market with cutting-edge innovations and a refined design. The device is rumored to feature larger displays, with the main foldable screen expanding to an impressive 6.85 inches, while the cover display may grow to around 4 inches. These enhancements promise a more immersive viewing experience and greater utility for multitasking or quick interactions. Performance upgrades are also expected, with Samsung potentially equipping the Galaxy Z Flip 7 with its in-house Exynos 2500 processor, a strategic move to boost efficiency, processing power, and energy optimization. This shift signifies Samsung's aim to reduce reliance on third-party processors like Qualcomm's Snapdragon series. In addition to hardware advancements, the Z Flip 7 is anticipated to support advanced 5G connectivity, enabling ultra-fast downloads and seamless streaming experiences. Rapid charging technology is likely to be incorporated, addressing one of the key user demands for longer battery life and quicker power-ups. The software experience is also expected to see improvements, with deeper integration of voice assistants like Bixby and Google Assistant, enabling users to perform a variety of tasks hands-free with greater precision. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is likely to continue Samsung's legacy of premium foldable devices, combining style, durability, and functionality in a compact design that appeals to tech enthusiasts and fashion-forward consumers alike. With these expected upgrades, the Z Flip 7 is poised to strengthen Samsung's position as a leader in the foldable smartphone segment.